Hey everyone, Joe here with Seaflo. We're going to do the unboxing of our Washdown kit. Since they're both basically the same, the only difference is the pump inside, the 5.5 gallon per minute 55 series as opposed to the 3 gallon per minute 33 series. We're just going to unbox the 55. It'll explain it all. So it comes with a 4-year warranty as all Seaflo products. It has the 5.5 gallon per minute water pressure pump, a 20-foot hose coil sprayer nozzle, quick connect for that sprayer nozzle, 2 1/2-inch fittings, and the 50 mesh strainer. So let's check this out. So there's your 20-foot hose coil. There's your 55 series 5.5 gallon per minute pump. The 50 mesh strainer and 1/2-inch barbed fittings. And then this has the sprayer nozzle and the quick disconnect fitting in it. Let's get this all out of the way. So yeah, it comes with the 5.5 gallon per minute 55 series pump. We turn up all of our washdown kits to 70 PSI because you're really looking for that high pressure. As opposed to some of our freshwater pumps, you don't want the freshwater system to have too high pressure unless of course your system can handle it. So we kind of keep it the freshwater pumps 60 PSI and below, but for the washdown kits we have it at 70 PSI. So it's pretty simple to hook up. It's just like hooking up any other, water pump. You have your inlet and outlet side, which of course is noted by the arrow showing the direction of flow. So this is your inlet, that's your outlet. So on your inlet, you're always going to want to have your 50 mesh strainer. And then you could throw your 1/2-inch fitting onto that strainer. This is a great pump because all of our pressure pumps are self-priming. This one specifically, the 5.5 gallon per minute, is 8 feet self-priming. Some of the smaller ones are 6 foot or maybe even 4 feet. So this is nice because you can mount it pretty high and above the water line, and it'll still be able to prime. So on this side, you'll put the inlet side. You're going to put the 50 mesh strainer and your fitting here. And then on the opposite side is where you're going to put the hose. So just to open up the hose, so the hose is coiled. It could store away very easily. Comes with your fitting here. So you're just going to screw that fitting on, right? Then you have your hose on the opposite side. Take the quick connect fitting, and I'll explain why it's a quick connect fitting in a little bit. And then you have your sprayer nozzle. This is the quick connect part. So in order to attach it, you want to pull it back, put it in, and then it'll lock in, all right? So then when you want to disconnect it, just pull it back and you can disconnect for storing purposes. But yeah, there's your washdown kit. Comes all completely in the box like so. Again, used for raw water. You can find it on seaflodirect.com. There's a 10% coupon code at the end of the video. Be sure to use it when you're buying this pump. I think it's around $149, so pretty cost effective, especially with its 4-year warranty. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.